Imagine the examiner asks, "Where are you from?" A simple answer like, "A nice town," won't stand out, but saying, "It's a vibrant city with modern cafés and historic landmarks," shows you can use rich vocabulary and grammar, exactly the kind of response that impresses in Part 1. You're watching IELTS with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel confident on test day. In this video, you'll discover vocabulary and grammar strategies to describe people and places in IELTS Speaking Part 1. We'll cover words for appearance, character, and atmosphere, plus common mistakes to avoid. Let's start with describing people. A simple phrase like, "My friend is kind" is fine, but it's basic. Instead, use specific adjectives like outgoing, trustworthy, or generous. For example, "My best friend is outgoing. She enjoys meeting new people and never feels shy." Grammar accuracy matters when you describe people. Don't say, "He likes help other people." The correct form is, "He likes helping other people and making them smile." Verbs like love and enjoy are followed by the ing form. Using this structure helps your IELTS answers sound natural, fluent, and well-formed. So far, we've explored powerful vocabulary to describe people, and a simple grammar tip to make your examples accurate. Now let's focus on describing places. Avoid simple words like good or nice. Use more specific adjectives like peaceful, cosmopolitan, or picturesque. For example, "I grew up in a picturesque town, surrounded by mountains and clear blue skies." Watch your sentence structures when describing places. For example, don't say, "There have a park." The correct form is, "There is a park near my house." Ready to lock it in? Tap the link for a quick IELTS practice on Quizlet, then jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. In Part 1, you can combine descriptions of people and places for a richer answer. For example, "My father is hardworking and supportive, and he runs a small cafe in our lively neighborhood." Using precise adjectives and correct grammar makes your response sound natural and demonstrates higher-level language. A common mistake is incorrect subject-verb agreement. Always say, "My city has," not "My city have." Simple grammar accuracy is key to band 7 and above. Let's practice a Part 1 question. What do you like about your hometown? A strong answer is, "I like the fact that it's welcoming, with tree-lined streets and friendly neighbors. It feels peaceful, but never boring." To sum up, we've covered specific adjectives for people, descriptive words for places, and key grammar fixes. Using these together helps your answers sound natural, confident, and IELTS ready. Now, keep that momentum going. Tap the link and head to the IELTS Study Hub on Quizlet for practice tests, flashcards, study guides, and everything you need to succeed on test day.